Grid panel displays are bulky and hard to set up. They take a long time to assemble and get damaged easily. You should be spending your time selling and displaying your product and not wrestling with tools and missing hardware. Wouldn't it be great to stop lugging around those grid panels and wasting time with setup and takedown? Imagine all the aggravation you'll miss with damaged displays, scratch bumpers, and more. Now you can with the patented Grid & Go display system. Standard grid panels are big and bulky and don't fit in most cars. Setup is a real chore with all the extra hardware and tools that take time and money. How many times have you forgotten a tool or lost a screw? And with all the takedown and setup, the paint on the grid panels chips and peels and stops looking good. Well, now you can stop wasting time and money by using our Grid & Go display system. It's so unique we've patented it. The secret to the Grid & Go is its patented folding design with the quick release feet. Simply insert the locking feet, unfold, and slide the locks into place. Just 3 simple steps. It's really that easy. The Grid & Go weighs 10% less than a typical grid wall panel, and it also fits neatly in your trunk or even in the back seat, saving you time and effort and providing an elegant way to display merchandise at off-site locations such as trade shows, craft fairs, and more. The Grid & Go is available exclusively at Specialty Store Services. Order your Grid & Go folding display panel today. Call 1-800-871-2768 or click on specialtystoreservices.com.